February 24th, 2026. I'm here demonstrating PIC compression and the HMIC decoder along with the sub-C PIC pedal dash. So what this is a dashboard I made to interact with my AI system using my voice and feet only. So keyboard removed, hands-free. The way it works is I move around with this foot pedal, the middle button, and then I toggle with the left button, and then execute with the right button. So I generated fact. This is just to demonstrate that the dashboard works, and I'm going to show you how C compression and G compression work. So this is just a standard English paragraph. I have different topics up there just to pick a range of topics. So this is standard prose English. We're going to C compress one level. That's what it looks like. Basically the same meaning, slightly fewer words, shorter versions of the same words, synonyms, things like that. C compression, another level. Much denser. It's not as conversational. It's more just packs a punch. This is C2. C3, more dense. C4, it's really packed, okay? Let's do it again. This time G compression. Actually, I'll go through one more time just so you can see it again. So this is C0. We're going to go down to C1. This is raw text. Guitar pickup, essentially a magnet wrapped in thousands of turns of very thin copper wire. A guitar pickup is a magnet wrapped in thin copper wire. Pickup equals magnet plus copper coil. Pickup converts string vibration to AC via electromagnetic induction. In C4, magnet plus coil converts string vibration to AC. Still makes sense. And believe it or not, it reconstitutes to pretty much the same thing. I'll demonstrate that in a moment. So now let's do the same paragraph, but this time we'll G compress it. Let's see what happens here. Guitar pickup is essentially a magnet wrapped in thousands of turns of very thin copper wire. PU equals magnet plus CU coil. So this is more context-based compression or knowledge-based compression. An industry expert would get this. They would get the same meaning from it. And somebody who's working on a project involving these terms, this is probably what their lab notebook looks like. Or maybe it looks like G4, if they've been doing it quite a while. Let's try one more. Different topic. So this time we'll go to a science topic. Monoclonal antibody. Purifying a monoclonal antibody from cell culture. Monoclonal antibody production is a multi-step cascade. MAB purification cascade. MAB purification, and it actually just describes the cascade. Now it's just assumed what we're talking about. If you know these steps, you know what this is. You don't need to be told. Okay? Now one more time with G compression. End up pretty close to the same place if you go down far enough. But now we'll do one more thing. We'll do C followed by G. And then G it again. So there's all these different states. Compression states. And depending on what the context and what the message is,